Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The question is, have you worked with a marketing agency before? So now in Softrix we do give white label services to like thousands of agencies in the past, and we are doing it right now as well. So now when we give them white label services, we know our boundaries, that we are just not be able to contact the end client directly. That is a more important rule when we work in the white label space. Second thing is that we always try to work with based on the client's convenience. For example, the client don't want us to use our logins to manage the campaign, so we request client to create us an email ID with their domain name, and that's how we manage the campaign from their domain name, so that the end client be able to see that we are working with them, and that's how the agency will be able to charge the client much higher fees, rather than just showing the fact that they are simply doing the outsourcing of the work. So white label services for an agency we have done thousands of times in the past as well, and we do have some clients whom we are giving white label services right now. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime and I will be able to get back to you as soon as I can.